can the right solder wick make your job a lot easier when you're trying to desolder? We're looking at a desolder braid by Chemtronics. This is the green size 3. And I've tried different solder braids, but I've never seemed to get like the results I kind of expected from a desolder braid. So we're going to desoldering this one and giving it a try. We just opened it up, and I already pre-fluxed the row, and now I'm just trying to, we're going to set this up to desolder here. There's a little bit of the camera in the way. Of course, it's 5 feet. It doesn't look like it, but I guess it's 5 feet rolled up in a little container. So we have prepared our soldering iron, which is warming up. And now I just need to set this up carefully and to show you how easy it is to use. Even though it does have its own flux, I pre-fluxed the row just to be sure to get that extra grab to it. And I already tinned the soldering iron prior to the video started, so I have it at the right temperature. So it should only take like a second or 3 to get what I need. You can already see it getting to work here. I know the camera's a little bit in the way, so it gets a little, see how much it's already getting up already. It's as simple as that. I've never seen a solder braid work that easy for me. So I'm very, very surprised how fast it worked as it should, with no issue. Yeah, again, this is 5 feet or 1.5 meters long. This is size 3. It had the right size I needed when I'm doing electronics work. It's just the right size I need. So depending on the size you need is what you will be using for your solder braid. Then once you're done with it, you just cut off the part you're not going to use. Make sure to clean up your project that you're working on with some at least alcohol that's about 70% or more. 99% is the most ideal when it comes to electronics, but anything more than 70% is good enough. So this has been the solder wick, and I highly recommend it.